So we're here at the shop today. We're gonna go back here and see what the nerds are doing in the body shop. I see Rusty finally worked his way into the body shop. He's been trying for months to get in here. Finally made it. We're coming back to see what the nerds were doing.
Oh, this is the cool kids over here.
Cool kids, okay. Nerds, cool kids, whatever.
I mean, yeah, you call it whatever you want to.
Yeah.
We know what it is.
Yeah.
You gotta have skill on this side. Where the magic happens.
So say that again?
Where the magic happens.
See, he's already acclimated to the body shop, ain't he?
Yeah, it's delusional.
Where's your little snake at? In the back?
Yeah. It's somewhere else now.
Huh. You just sanded them stripes right off, didn't you?
No. Now I'm just going over the over all the other sanding just to make sure everything's flat. Make sure everything's sanded.
Pretty close to painting.
Yeah.
Pretty close to painting.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Those little marks and little pinholes and stuff.
Ooh, it's beautiful out here. All the little pinhole Jared got to fix. No stripes on the hood. Y'all seen this motor? Ain't much to see. It's all covered up. I don't know. I kind of like it without the stripes too.
Yeah.
Looks
Pretty nice.
It does.
I don't know why it would be, well, whatever people's preference
Yeah.
is, you know.
Yeah.
Some people like the stripes like all the way down, all that stuff.
Oh yeah,
all
yeah.
through all that.
It'll look good either way.
Yeah.
Hey Tyler, you better get in here and defend yourself. They talking about something in there. What'd you say? What I got?
Oh, it's got your name on it.
My name?
Both of them got your name on it.
Huh.
That one says wheels.
Wheels?
I almost say that's not a wheel.
Cut it open. What is it? What is that? Motor oil?
No, that's not a wheel.
I don't remember ordering anything.
From Fort Worth, Texas. Good Guys Enterprises.
Huh. Hey, what's going on?
Have a good one.
Thank you. Good guys. Oh, more banners. I guess that goes in the office.
Dang, so we didn't get no cool wheels?
Is that more banners you take? That's more banners too.
Probably.
Dang.
And you get a banner. Can we do it like Oprah?
Yeah.
You get a banner.
You get a
banner. If you let us build a car, you get one banner.
Alright guys, let's see what Travis has got prepped up in the paint booth. Looks like we got more 36 Ford parts. We got the running boards, the side pieces to the engine bay, and the hood. We're spraying that with some Glazrit, BASS Glazrit. Soon, I guess. Nate Dogg's got the Ford as you saw in the last episode. We'll put that below. If you haven't seen that, you gotta check out our visit up to Nate and when we dropped off the Ford. So those pieces they're working on back there are going in the Defender, and they're the headliner pieces for right there and right there, and probably right here on the back. Give you an idea what they're working on. Well, here's a piece right here too. Trying to do as much as possible inside, so when it goes to interior, he's basically got to cover seats. Those pieces up there, the pieces you've seen on previous episodes here that are off, but the floor is all going to be metal. I guess I'll have to cover the console as well. A lot more than I thought, now that I think about it more. So what's the next step on the Defender after y'all get through body working? I don't want to know, or you don't know?
I don't know.
Every step we take is the wrong one.
Why is that?
Yeah, I don't know.
Shane adding
So
stuff to it.
we gon' after we got done doing this here, we're gonna bolt them back up in there. Hopefully one last time to make sure they fit. Since we're done all this major body working.
Yeah.
Then if they fit, hopefully he gonna mount the dash. He gonna mount the dash. And then
What the heck? What is Lewis doing up there?
he's been up there for a month.
That's like Big Brother watching down on you right there. Who put him up there? Carl.
Yeah.
Did you put Lewis up there?
I mean, yeah.
Did he get on your nerves so you put him up there and tell him?
See, I put him up there, and then I forgot about him. That's why he ain't come down.
Oh.
Yeah.
I tell you what,
Better watch Lewis, he might scare you.
I'll tell you one thing about Lewis. That boy would be good at a car show because he don't mind standing up all the time.
No.
He ain't sit down one time since
I
he's been
think
here.
we should take him.
We should take him.
We need to make us another one. We'll make it one for every
Y'all want to see
boy.
Lewis at the car show? What's the next car show we going to? I think C10 National sometime, and or whatever it's called in Nashville area,
Yeah, no, that was
somewhere up there.
Lebanon?
Lebanon, there you go. Somewhere near Nashville, I believe.
Wherever that's at.
So, are you gonna have to?
Lebanese and
Are you gonna have to paint that?
paint what?
The Defender.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I know you've done some painting on
Well,
stuff.
we just jammed it out so we can put it all together so we can do our
When you paint it, you're gonna paint it all together.
yeah. Because we got to do our distress
Yeah,
apocalyptic blast on it.
I got you.
Our zombie attack.
So what color you paint it first? Black and white on top?
Black. We'll spray some black. We'll spray some white. Y'all get a good look at this. This don't happen every day.
I know. Hey, I got an idea. Do that one more time. Right there. That's the thumbnail editor. I was making note to the editor. That was gonna be the thumbnail for the yeah. Jerry don't know nothing about thumbnails. So
Sure.
what's the next step on the Defender after y'all get through body working?
Yeah, I don't know.
Shane adding stuff
So
to it.
we gon' after we got done doing this here, we're gonna bolt them back up in there. Hopefully one last time to make sure they fit. Since we're done all this major body working.
Yeah.
Then if they fit, hopefully he gonna mount the dash. He gonna mount the dash. And then
What the heck? What is Lewis doing up there?
he's been up there for a month.
That's like Big Brother watching down on you right there. Who put him up there? Carl.
Yeah.
Did you put Lewis up there?
I mean, yeah.
Did he get on your nerves so you put him up there and tell him?
See, I put him up there, and then I forgot about him. That's why he ain't come down.
Oh,
Yeah.
I tell you what.
Better watch Lewis, he might scare you.
I'll tell you one thing about Lewis. That boy would be good at a car show because he don't mind standing up all the time.
No.
He ain't sit down one time since
I
he's been
think we
here.
should take him.
We should take him.
We need to make us another one. We'll make it one for every
Y'all want to see
boy.
Lewis at the car show? What's the next car show we going to? I think C10 National sometime, and or whatever it's called in Nashville area.
Yeah, no, that was
Somewhere up there.
Lebanon?
Lebanon, there you go. Somewhere near Nashville, I believe.
Wherever that's at.
So, are you gonna have to?
Lebanese.
Are you gonna have to paint that?
Paint what?
The fender.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I know you've done some painting on
Well,
stuff.
we just jammed it out so we could put it all together so we can do our
When you paint it, you're gonna paint it all together.
yeah. Because we got to do our distress apocalyptic blast on it.
I got you.
Our zombie attack.
So what color you paint it first? Black and white on top?
Black. We'll spray some black. We'll spray some white. Y'all get a good look at this. This don't happen every day.
I know. Hey, I got an idea. Do that one more time. Right there. That's the thumbnail editor. I was making note to the editor. That was gonna be the thumbnail for the yeah. Jerry don't know nothing about thumbnails. Hey Carl, I'm taking a poll right now.
Yeah.
He's talking about his singing. He's gonna be in Nashville. You think? Do you think he's got any chance in
He's got
Nashville?
a chance, honestly.
I'm not
I've seen
talking
some
about
of
Dumb and Dumber chance like 1 in a million. I'm talking about everybody's got a chance, you know.
Yeah.
But it's either like what, maybe 1 in a couple million,
Maybe a little less than that.
1 in a million.
Yeah,
So he's got a chance.
I mean, I gamble on that.
You gamble on it?
Yeah.
Hey, you think Travis has got a chance at a career in Nashville singing? Okay. I gotta go get some more views on this. Hey, come over here. I got something I gotta ask you. So you know Travis thinks he's got a career in Nashville, right?
He don't.
Okay, so that answers my question. I was gonna ask you if you thought he had a chance.
I don't think so.
No.
So you're telling me there's a chance? Yeah!
Hey Tyler, you know Travis thinks he's got a career in singing in Nashville. I'm just trying to get odds. What you think the odds of that happening?
None.
None?
No, we went to Nashville one time and he didn't leave the Airbnb.
That's true. He didn't go downtown, did he?
Man, he don't really like people.
Listen, he's back there
I'm
singing.
pretty sure to get anywhere in Nashville, you gotta at least go out.
Yeah.
Leave the Airbnb.
Huh.
Quit watching the F1 documentary.
Yeah.
It's true.
Okay. Let's go ask him. Let's go ask Travis what he thinks his odds are of getting a singing career. What do y'all think? I mean, you know.
I have to deal with this every day.
I know. Hey, so we got a question to ask for you. So you've been practicing for your singing career up in Nashville, right?
Yeah.
So I want to kind of get some odds from you. What you think? What you think your odds are of getting a contract and a singing career up there?
Well, I'll just tell you what the odds are. They're pretty damn good.
What's that mean? Like 1 in a million?
Nah, like 1 in 0.
More like 1 out of a million.
So like Dumb and
first-
Dumber. So you.
First, it's a guarantee.
Hey, Tyler had a good philosophy though.
You can't listen to Tyler.
No, listen, last time we went to Nashville, we were in the house, and you wouldn't even go downtown. You gotta go downtown and sing.
See, there was so many people down there trying to get a deal. I didn't want to go down there and take their chance.
I thought you were gonna say they were wanting autographs or something.
Well, I'm past autographs. I mean,
You gave up on
I
that,
done gave
huh?
up so many autographs now, it ain't worth nothing.
No, he gave up on it. He gave up on it. He didn't give out, he gave up. Well, y'all heard a little bit of what he...
Y'all go ahead and pre-order and get that pre-order in on my record deal.
Yeah. So, so y'all heard a little bit of that. Y'all heard a little bit of that singing back there. And y'all comment below, 1 to 10. What do you think Travis's odds are getting the contract in Nashville after he blows this popsicle stand? Anyway, let us know.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Shop Walk. If you're enjoying these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you next Friday at 7 p.m.